This is the first episode of building an accounting system with Excel. The gist of an accounting system is creating debits and credits, which is what we call journal entries. By the end of this video, you'll learn how to reference the journal entries with the JE number and how it links up the bookkeeping data and our final product, the journal entries. Given the difference in accounting practice, the accounting logic described in this series of tutorials is only for demo purposes. It might be different based on your location. Concepts covered here is meant to be minimalistic. I'm not held responsible for any errors, incomplete or misrepresented information, and or any harmful effects associated with the materials covered in my videos. By watching this video, it's assumed that the viewers bear all the risks and both current and potential losses associated with this video. Okay, enough for disclaimer. Let's dive in. Let's try it out with the Excel's new Python feature. Equal py tab and start coding Python here. Usually we start off with a table to hold the bookkeeping data, then append 18 columns to it. 18 columns in 3 groups, each contains a combo of 6 columns. Because each transaction is represented by one journal entry number, which is the debits and credits. Each journal entry has 3 positions for withdrawals and 3 for deposits. Usually, position 1, 2, 3 are assigned for the withdrawals and position 4, 5, 6 are for the deposits. Let's create a data frame for this table, df, which is just referring to this area. df and press Ctrl Enter. Here you see the data frame. Click here and you should see all the columns, which is just the original bookkeeping data. Let's add a column to this df data frame that contains the journal entry number. This will also appear on the journal entries, but I'm not doing it in this cell because I don't want to pack everything in one cell. Alright, Shift Enter, py tab underneath, df.assign to create a new column, JE. This JE column will also appear on our journal entries. This JE column is simply 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. So let's put df.index and add 1 to it. Alright, let's keep it equal to df.index. Ctrl Enter and you should see JE is now 0, 1, 2. This 0 is actually the first value of the original df.index column. Each row of the df.index column has its own index starting from 0, 1, 2 and so on. But I don't want to start with 0, so put 1 instead. Simply add 1 to each row. Ctrl Enter and now JE becomes 1, 2, 3. Now we know whenever we add 1 to the entire column, just like this one, the df.index column add 1 to each row and it will be like this. It will be adding 1 for all the rows from top to the bottom. Now it's done for the JE column in the df table.